$50 a week. That is what you earn from AI side hustles. Not a windfall, not a raise. Just $50 a week. Automated, consistent, invested. Most people with an AI side hustle spend that $50 before the month ends. A small group invests every dollar for 40 years. Those two groups end up in completely different places. This is the 40-year difference in real numbers at every milestone that matters. Where does $50 a week actually come from? Writing product descriptions for e-commerce stores using a language model, automating invoices and scheduling for local business clients, creating short-form social content with AI tools for small brands. 2 or 3 paid hours a week with the right tools gets you there. The source is active AI work. The investment makes it passive. You invest in a broad market index fund tracking the S&P 500. Historical average, 10% annual return, nominal. You automate a weekly purchase. You do not try to time the market. You do not pick stocks. $50 every week for 40 years. Year 1. Total balance, $2,860. $2,600 contributed, $260 from the market on top. At year 1, you are the engine. The market is barely a passenger. That is expected. That is how compounding always starts. The goal at year 1 is the habit, not the balance. Year 5, $15,873. $13,000 invested, $2,800 in market gains on top. Monthly return, $132 from the account automatically. You feel the weekly withdrawal. You barely notice the gain. That is fine. Year 8 is where the relationship permanently changes. Year 8, $29,733. Tipping point. This year, the market returned $2,973, $248 a month, automatically. Your weekly contribution is $217 a month. For the first time, the market is returning more per month than you deposit. The machine just passed you. From this point forward, the market's share of growth keeps increasing. Every year, your $50 a week becomes slightly less important to the outcome, not because you stopped, because the machine is running without needing to be carried. Year 15, $82,608. $39,000 contributed, $43,000 in market gains on top. The accounts just crossed a key line. Total market gains now exceed everything you ever deposited. Annual return this year, $8,200, $688 a month passively. The machine is outworking you. Year 20, $148,915. $52,000 invested, $96,000 in market gains. The market gave you nearly double what you put in. Monthly passive return this year, $1,241 from the account automatically. The machine is not just running, it is accelerating. Year 30, $427,685. $78,000 invested, $349,000 in market gains. Monthly passive return this year, $3,564, more than many Americans take home from their job. From $50 a week of AI gig income, but there are 10 years left. The last 10 years are not the same as the first 10. Years 1 through 10 build $29,000. Years 31 through 40, same $50 a week, build $723,000 more on top. The machine is exponential now, not linear. Year 40, $1,150,741. At 4% safe withdrawal rate, this portfolio pays you $46,000 a year, $3,836 a month. Completely passive. The median individual income in the United States is about $41,000 a year. Your AI gig money, invested at $50 a week for 40 years, just outpaid the median American worker. Without a single extra contribution, you invested $104,000 over 40 years. The market added $1,046,000 more. The market did 10 times more work than you did. Every dollar you invested generated 10 additional dollars in gains. That is not a trick. That is compound interest and time. The AI side hustle gave you the seed. 40 years of index investing let it grow beyond anything active work alone could build. Year 1, $2,860. Year 40, $1,150,000. Same $50 a week. 40 years. What changed was not the amount. $50 a week is reachable. What changed was the decision to invest AI income instead of spending it, and to hold for 40 years without stopping. Anyone can find $50 a week with the right AI tools. Very few hold for 40 years. If this made the math feel real, subscribe. The next video shows exactly what starting this investment at 35 instead of 25 costs you, and why that 10-year delay is more expensive than most people expect.